Sean and Sarah spent the next few months working on their relationship and building a strong foundation. They talked about their fears, their dreams, and their future plans. Sarah had always wanted to travel the world, while Sean had a passion for helping others in need. Together, they decided to start a charity organization that would provide food, shelter, and support to the homeless community. They used the money that they had saved for their wedding to launch the organization and to make a difference in the world. Their love grew stronger with each passing day, and they knew that they were meant to be together. They decided to have a small, intimate wedding ceremony surrounded by their closest friends and family. Sean felt grateful for John's help and support, and he asked him to be his best man. John gladly accepted and stood by Sean's side on his wedding day. As Sean and Sarah exchanged their vows, they both knew that they had found their soulmate. They promised to love and support each other through thick and thin, and to always be honest and true. Their wedding day may not have gone according to plan, but it had brought them closer together and set them on a path of love, purpose, and fulfillment. And Sean knew that he had found the woman who loved him for him, no matter what, and he felt blessed to have her by his side for the rest of his life. They would pick a new recipe to try each week and experiment with different cuisines. Sometimes they would cook their favorite comfort foods, while other times they would challenge themselves to make something more complex. After finishing their meal, they would slip into their swimsuits and jump into the pool, enjoying the warm water and each other's company. They would chat about their day, make plans for the future, or simply enjoy the silence and the stars. Sean loved watching Sarah swim, admiring her beauty and grace as she glided through the water. He would often sneak up behind her and wrap his arms around her, pulling her close and whispering sweet nothings into her ear. They would stay in the pool for hours until they were tired and wrinkled from the water. Then they would dry off, change into their pajamas, and snuggle up on the couch to watch a movie or read a book. For Sean and Sarah, these date nights were a time to connect and unwind, to forget about the stresses of daily life and to focus on their love and their future together.